Hi guys. I'm still working on the intro. Just get rid of everything. Oh, that's YouTube. Roblox. I want Roblox. Give me Roblox. Just give me Roblox. Roblox! Well, today I'm gonna play a scary game. Hold on, I need to change my avatar. Nah, should I change it? Should I? Yeah. Well, I'll show you the game. Let me just go back here. Go to this. Short, creepy stories. It's actually scary. So, this game may contain scenes of violence and gore. That means like blood and like death. Also, there's flashing lights, loud noises, and jump scares. If you're a sensitive person, exit the game or get off the video immediately. Oh my god, why am I like this? So, I already did this first one, and it ain't that scary. I just kept thinking it was so freaking scary. So what is this? You just get that. You can open and shut drawers? You can turn on and off the lights? I just came over here because I was seeing what this thing is. I was like, oh. And I just saw this. Well, I guess this is what it's about. Okay, let's go. Oh, we need players. I'm stuck. This person likes a lot of horror games? I'm gonna scream a lot, okay, y'all? Please help! I don't want to be stuck in this room! Don't tell me it's gonna start at me. No. Oh, hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Does it show what I say above my head? What? I'm scared. What do we do? Ooh, I can run. For a short period of time. Guess I shouldn't want to run. Okay. Scared. Why is that girl not coming? Oh, hi. That's really slow. Oh, I ran into the wall. Is my cat eating? No. I hope it doesn't show any jump scares. I'm scared. What are we supposed to do? We're supposed to meet somebody on the top floor? And this is getting kind of boring. Oh, hello, girl. Grill. I think there's something behind us. that person's walking into a wall. That's great. We just went all the way up here for no reason. This game is stupid. We have to walk down up and down these stupid freaking stairs. And all... Oh, that's what scared me. That's my screen. Okay. Hey, no, I go first. What the? Try to climb as high as possible and not die. There's no exit. Don't try to find it. Good luck. Press C to crouch. Press Q to unlock mouse. Press E to put the note. You have to try to climb. Why do we have to climb as high as possible? That's kind of creepy. Don't worry, I'll be coughing through this whole thing. Oh my god, my heart's already pounding. Why is there no escape? Does this game even exist? I can't even jump. Ooh, crouch. Can I do it in your face? No, I get first. No, I get first. No. Try to climb as high as possible. What does that mean? Like, climb as high as possible. Does that mean we have to climb? That's scary. I got scared to death. Oh. What just happened? Why did that scare me? Oh my god! Why is this so freaking scary? Let's just try to climb as high as possible. What? It's gonna do it again. Wait up, lady. You can't leave me. Is there a man coming? Wow, that's loud. So we're gonna ignore that thing. Four 4972 4972 4972. You go ahead. What if the thing I just want to keep my energy up. So I'm just doing what? Run. Is that nice? Did I just hear a crow? I'm gonna keep it. Really slow and kind of scary. Oh my god, Magnificent? Is that the name? Magnificent from the Little Mermaid? Yeah. It's called a scary flounder. Yeah, I definitely heard it. It's a crow. It had to be a cat. That's a bird. That's a crow. Huh? That's going. Oh. You're going too far away. Oh my god, I just wasted so much energy. So we're just gonna ignore that. Okay. I think those closet things are what we're gonna have to hide in soon. Scary. I'm laughing. Come on, man. Don't leave me, man. R.I.P. my friend. Oh, hi, beautiful crow. I'm not ready. You're up, dang crow. Okay. I had to rejoin because everything kept messing up. So yeah, let's do a new one. Can you turn off the lights? Okay. So we just did this one. I need to get a book. I need a book. Wait. The story of a detective who came after reporting strange sounds. I can't see you. Dang human. Hi, Donna. Adriana. Hi, Jonna. We're just gonna listen to calming music. Okay, let's search up. I'm gonna think of some calming music. Oh my God, there's my video! Oh, there's another! Here's another one of my videos. I called it my idea, please don't copy. Another one of my videos. Yes. Another one of my videos. It's probably going to be another one of my videos. Another! I'm sorry, hold on. It's triple, it's whopper thing. Yes. What? What? Okay, let's do scary music. Okay. Whoa, that's scary. I'm gonna watch Amanda the Adventure, but first I'm gonna play this game. Okay. Why was the door open? And someone turned on the light in the house. Perhaps the homeless have infiltrated. Homeless. I didn't even give me enough time to read. How did I end here again? The telephone. I need to check it. Wait, what? Can I go in here? Nope. Ooh, realistic light switch. How do we get up there? Oh my God, it's scaring me. Oh my God. What is it doing? I can't see. Okay, it stopped. What's going on?
Page by page, or all in one go.
What?
Modify your URLs. Inspect.
Am I supposed to do something?
All of them in one click and more. Save time.
Scared.
Customize freely with SEO on Wix.
Stay on, please. No. Okay, let's go. Did I just see something? Just looking around. What am I supposed to do? What's going on? What's going on? Please. Please don't kill me.